When it comes to replacing an exterior door for your Birmingham home, the decision involves more than just aesthetics. A new exterior door can significantly impact your home's curb appeal, security, and energy efficiency. With Birmingham's varying climate, from hot summers to occasional cold snaps, you'll want a door that can withstand the elements, provide superior insulation, and offer the style and security your home deserves. Here's how to select the best exterior door replacement to meet all your needs. Consider the material. The first decision when choosing an exterior door is its material. Different materials offer unique benefits, so think about what's most important for your Birmingham home. Wood doors. Known for their timeless beauty and classic appeal, wood doors are versatile and can be customized with intricate designs, panels, and finishes. They provide excellent insulation but require regular maintenance to withstand Birmingham's humidity and weather fluctuations. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass is a popular option for homeowners in Birmingham due to its durability and energy efficiency. Resistant to dents and rust, fiberglass doors offer excellent insulation, reducing energy costs. They also mimic the look of real wood, providing a sophisticated appearance without high maintenance. Steel doors. For superior security and durability, steel doors are an excellent choice. They are weather-resistant and provide a high level of insulation, making them energy efficient. Steel doors are often more budget-friendly, but they may be susceptible to dents and scratches. Focus on energy efficiency. With Birmingham's warm summers and cool winters, energy efficiency should be a key factor in your decision. Look for doors with high-quality insulation materials and energy-saving features like Energy Star ratings. Opt for doors with an Energy Star certification, as these meet stringent criteria for energy efficiency. Weather stripping. Ensure the door has effective weather stripping to minimize air leaks and enhance insulation. Glass inserts. If you prefer doors with glass inserts, choose those with double or triple pane glass, as they provide better insulation than single pane options. Prioritize security features. Your home's safety is paramount, and an exterior door plays a crucial role in securing your property. Opt for doors with robust security features, such as solid construction. Choose a door made from high-quality materials that are difficult to break or tamper with. Reinforced frames. A strong frame is as important as the door itself. Consider reinforced frames and high-quality locks for added security. Advanced locking systems. Modern exterior doors can be equipped with advanced locking mechanisms like deadbolts, keyless entry systems, and smart locks, enhancing security. Choose the right style. Your exterior door is one of the first things guests notice when visiting your Birmingham home. It should complement your home's architecture while reflecting your personal style. Here are some popular options. Traditional designs. Perfect for historic homes or those with classic architecture, traditional doors often feature decorative panels, ornate glass, and warm wood tones. Contemporary designs. If your home has a modern look, consider doors with sleek lines, minimalist designs, and large glass panels for a chic aesthetic. Rustic designs. For a cozy, welcoming feel, rustic doors made of distressed wood or featuring wrought iron accents can enhance your home's charm. Think about weather resistance. Birmingham's climate can be unpredictable, so it's important to choose an exterior door that can withstand the elements. Fiberglass and steel doors tend to offer the best resistance to rain, humidity, and extreme temperatures. Make sure the door is properly sealed to prevent warping, rotting, or rusting. Set your budget. Your budget will play a major role in your decision-making process. The cost of an exterior door varies based on the material, design, and additional features. While wood doors tend to be more expensive, fiberglass and steel options provide a cost-effective balance of durability, security, and style. Don't forget to factor in installation costs and any necessary hardware or security upgrades. Conclusion: selecting the best exterior door replacement for your Birmingham home involves weighing factors such as material, energy efficiency, security, style, and budget. By taking the time to evaluate these elements, you can find a door that enhances your home's curb appeal, keeps you safe, and withstands Birmingham's climate. Whether you choose a classic wood door, a durable fiberglass option, or a secure steel entryway, the right exterior door will make a lasting impression while providing peace of mind for years to come.